Official name, Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. Capital, Kabul. Population, 34,940,837. Official languages, Dari, Afghan, Persian, Pashto. Money, Afghani. Area, 251,823 square miles, 652,230 square kilometers. Old name of Afghanistan. Afghanistan has had multiple names throughout history, including Gandhara, Khorasan, and Bactria. Afghanistan most famous thing. The twin blue domes of the Shrine of Hazrat Ali are one of Afghanistan's most iconic sites, and pilgrims come from across the country to pay there. Symbol of Afghani. The Afghani, AFN, is official currency of the Afghanistan and its currency symbol is Afghanistan's national dish, Kabuli Pulao, the Afghan national dish. Kabuli Pulao is an incredibly delicious dish from Afghanistan, as the name suggests. This light and aromatic rice dish with lamb, other meat or poultry, that's jeweled with carrots and raisins is the Afghan national dish. It is also popular in Uzbekistan and Tajikistan. 1 November 2024. Afghanistan rich or poor? Afghanistan is one of the world's poorest countries. It is landlocked, highly dependent on foreign aid, and has a large percentage of its population living in poverty. Poverty. In 2016, 54.5% of Afghanistan's population lived below the national poverty line. In 2023, 34.9% of the employed population earned less than $2.15 per day. In 2022, 58 babies died before their 5th birthday for every 1,000 born. Afghanistan's main exports. Its annual exports exceed $2 billion, with agricultural, mineral and textile products accounting for 94% of total exports. Afghanistan's biggest export. An important part of Afghanistan's economy, in any case, depends on a large illegal activity. The country is the world's leading producer of poppies. Valuable about Afghanistan. 2.2 billion tons of iron ore, 60 million tons of copper, 183 million tons of aluminium, and vast reserves of rare earth elements such as lanthanum. Afghanistan safe for Indian. Do not travel to Afghanistan due to civil unrest, crime, terrorism, risk of wrongful detention, kidnapping, and limited health facilities. 13 January 2025. Hindus in Afghanistan. Yes, there are Hindus in Afghanistan, but their numbers have declined significantly. Number of Hindus. In the 1970s, there were around 700,000 Hindus and Sikhs in Afghanistan. In 2021, there were fewer than 50 Hindus in Afghanistan. In 2022, there were an estimated 9 Hindus in Afghanistan. Afghanistan safe to visit. Risk level. Avoid all travel to Afghanistan due to the volatile security situation, terrorist attacks, ongoing armed conflict, the risk of kidnapping, arbitrary arrest and detention, the high crime rate, and widespread violations of human rights by the de facto authorities. Women visit Afghanistan. Women are expected to be escorted by a male relative and can be detained for traveling alone. Women visiting Afghanistan should be alert of the risk of sexual assault and are recommended to review the Department of State's travel tips for women travelers. Life good in Afghanistan. 3 years into the renewal of Taliban rule, some aspects of Afghans' lives have deteriorated and others have improved, though the institutionalized exclusion of women and girls from many aspects of public life curbs the benefits that half the population derives from the positive changes. 14 August 2024.